There are places that make you feel alive with chaos. और फिर अंडमान जैसे आइलैंड्स हैं जहां लगता है कि लाइफ को भी कभी-कभी ठहराव चाहिए. Sometimes it can just breathe. Here, the sea isn't a weekend plan. It's a neighbor, a routine, something you wave at. The way city people wave at the auto rickshaws, and maybe that's where the beauty truly begins. Out here, people don't escape to the ocean. Rather, उसके साथ ही अपनी पूरी जिंदगी गुजारते हैं.
मुसाफिर सा बहता जाऊं हवा के संग खोता जाऊं रास्ते खुद कहानी बन जाए मैं पल में जीऊं पल में खो जाऊं.
And as the sky gently melts into the evening, you realize something very simple. हर दिन extraordinary नहीं होता और honestly होना भी नहीं चाहिए. कभी सिर्फ शांति ही सबसे बड़ा सुकून होता है. Commutes float, time drifts, journeys relax. The world slows down just enough for you to remember what being present feels like. For everyone here, this is daily life. For us, it already feels like a therapy. So, we keep going, not chasing checklists, not running behind things to do, just following a life the way it naturally flows on an island. अंडमान की सबसे खूबसूरत बात यही है. यहाँ कोई आपको इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश नहीं करता. Like the landscapes doesn't beg for attention. It just sits there, effortlessly stunning. Like that one friend who doesn't try but always looks so good. Work here happens quietly. Effort feels honest. Works are really simple and still very meaningful.
हाँ देखा.
Sometimes life gives you more, and sometimes it gives you just enough. And people here, they have learned to smile at both. और जब प्लान्स अचानक चेंज हो जाते हैं, यहाँ कोई भी पैनिक नहीं करता। जैसे बरसात का आना, लोग बस थोड़ा रुक जाते हैं। And maybe that's the magic here. You don't rush through the moments, you just sit with them. You laugh through them and you live them.
सागर किनारे रेत की बातें, बारिश ने छेड़ी मीठी मुलाकातें, हवा में बसी है खुशबू।
By evening, the islands do what they do the best. They bring people together. Music plays, lights glow. Strangers feel a little less like strangers. Happiness stops feeling like a luxury and starts feeling more like a habit. This isn't a grandeur. This isn't spectacle. This is life simply enjoyed. Maybe that's what the Andaman truly teaches. Happiness isn't hidden in bigger cities or bigger plans or bigger dreams. Sometimes it lives quietly in smaller lives fully lived. In slow ferries, in hopeful routines, in coffees under unexpected rains, in music echoing through warm night skies, in families, in strangers, in us. यहाँ हमने सिर्फ सफर नहीं किया, जिंदगी का एक टुकड़ा उधार लिया है और वो टुकड़ा इतना खूबसूरत है कि भुलाया भी नहीं जाएगा।